Soil is an important essence of our nature which gives us trees, plants, food, fruits, and agricultural food grains. It will not be wrong to say that we are dependent on soil also. Without soil, no production can happen, and as a result, no life on this earth will exist. We have to prevent soil pollution so that everyone on this earth could live peacefully. We should not forget about to do efforts to curb this menace. So let's start 10 lines on soil pollution. Soil pollution can be said as contamination of harmful chemicals into the soil. The main factor due to which soil pollution exists is industrialization. Other factors are heavy use of pesticides and insecticides in agricultural land. Most common chemicals which are responsible for soil pollution are petroleum, carbon compounds, lead and heavy metals. Harmful irrigation practices which cause reduction in fertility of soil is also one of the causes of soil pollution. When obnoxious gases contaminate these clouds, they cause acid rain, which is also a factor of soil pollution. Leakage of fuel or petrol from vehicles spread out on earth. When rain occurs, they go deep inside the soil and contaminate it. Improper waste management practices by which wastes are thrown out in the large dumping ground contaminates the soil. Soil pollution kills the productivity and fertility of soil left with harmful chemicals. The yield of that soil will make us sick. As we know that soil is an important component of earth in which the trees, plants and all types of foods are grown, but contamination destroys this asset. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.